Guess which bitch I bumped into in Bangalore.
Sorry, do I know you? हाँ? Sorry?
तो कुछ आज काम करने के लिए आया है कि कुत्ते से मिलना है?
काम तो बस बहाना है, प्राइमरी मोटिव तो कुत्ते को मिलना था, अब तो मिल लिया, अब चले थे।
Is he talking about me?
Yes.
We need to find a new flatmate. You're getting married. Fuck. You have a house. Do you want to live with me? I don't want to live this again. Listen, can you check your pockets? Check your bags. Just see. I just haven't seen him without Aishwarya in like a year. So I'm wondering where she is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so all of us are here because there's a launch event. Naveed and Akash are doing some influencer marketing stuff. I'm doing all the main heavy lifting, as you can imagine. Who call influencers and all this lame shit I don't do.
Who got you the passes? हाँ?
ये वाला पार्ट काट देना। रात के 2 बजे और ये देखो कौन किस वक्त घर आ रहा है। Is this a time to come home?
Isn't it a respectable hour?
It's not. It's 2 a.m.
Bombay standards, 2 a.m. is decentish.
Who were you out with?
I was out with my friends.
This is any friendship? At 3 a.m. you'll do friendship?
Dropped everyone like a responsible citizen. Dropped one person and the second person.
ये घर एक धर्मशाला नहीं है, ठीक है?
Okay, why are you up?
I am up because I was cleaning.
What cleaning?
I was cleaning the room and the vessels.
Really, it's dirty. I can see it.
तुम ना एक काम करो, तुम ना अपने दोस्तों के साथ क्यों नहीं जाके रह रहे थे?
Why did you then call me? Ki Aja Bangalore, Aja Bangalore, Aja Bangalore.
I called you.
You messaged me.
I called
have
you.
Screenshots of you come asking me to come live with you.
I didn't say come at 3 a.m.
I have friends. You don't. You are just salty because you don't have friends and I have.
Go back to Bombay. Chat. He's not coming back, okay?
Can't be jealous because I have friends. Okay.
Go back. Thanks, जाके सो गया. Even Shankar is asleep.
Yeah, Shankar is an old person.
Get out.
Chat.
Get out.
Look, he wants me.
No, he doesn't.
He wants me.
Yes. Fuck off. Fuck off. Is what he's saying. Yes. So happy. Oh my God, so happy. Bite him. Bite him. He thinks Shankar is also coming. Do you see our dog? Chat.
Chat, come here. Sit. He still listens to me, huh?
Yeah, he's not deaf.
Hey, come. Chat, come here. Gandu.
Look how fit and handsome he looks. You remember how he was when you were taking care of him in Bombay? Naveed, he's 110% so fat now.
It's Didi's fault.
Oh, it was Didi's fault.
He was
Convenient.
feeding him idlis.
What were you doing? Did you take him for a walk?
I did. But the amount of idlis were more than the walks that he could take.
Hey, look so fit. Show your stomach. Look, it's gone in. It's become slim. He's got a V shape. कितना खुश लगता है. He looks so happy. He looks fit.
He's fit for sure. You can't see if he's happy here. You can't.
Why are you laughing? Stop laughing. He's very happy. See, his tail is wagging. See?
That's because I am here. He likes me.
ऐसा भी कोई बैठता है क्या? Chat आधा सोफा पे ऐसा.
You're jealous of him liking me too much.
You have to go back to Bombay. Remember that. He's not going.
Yeah, but he'll come.
No, he's not gonna come.
It's a challenge.
3 days later.
He's going. He's going.
Bye, Chatu. Paka, all the way to meet you. No 2 rupees sentiment you have. Huh? I'll remember this.
रात के 12 बजे मैं अभी सो रहा हूँ कि कल सुबह मैंने एक टेस्ट बुलाया मेरी बड़ी से. By the way, thank you मेरी बड़ी for sponsoring today's video. मेरी बड़ी is a very simple to use platform where you can book health tests, lab tests, online doctor consultations, etc. तो अब मैं बहुत ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ तो मैंने कल सुबह के लिए 2 टेस्ट बुक किए. एक है RT-PCR and the second test is a smoker's health test. Many years ago I took up the very bad habit of smoking, but this New Year's I'd made a resolution that I'm going to try and quit. And ever since I quit, I sleep better, food tastes better, I've started to lose more weight effectively. All in all, life has improved in every way possible. Smoking is a terrible habit and if you can, you should 100% try and quit. I will continue to take the test every few months just to see my progress. You can just pick a time slot at your convenience and they just come home and they do the test now. Oh, that note मैं सो जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि लेट हो गया. Bye. Good morning. My Medibuddy test has arrived. जब भी मैं कोई टेस्ट लेता हूँ तो इसको यहाँ पे बिठा के रखना पड़ता है, नहीं तो ये आके पूरे टेस्ट का कचुम्बर करता है. What are we doing first? BP check. Okay. Sir, what is your name?
Devanasan.
Devanasan. Is that normal?
Yes,
Nah. See, look at him. उनका अलग ही रोमांस चलते रहता है. Sir, Amitabh Bachchan is brand ambassador or what?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you've met him?
No, sir. On the nose first and the throat.
Okay. Every time after COVID test, I sneeze for 10 minutes. Sorry, sir. My arm is very big. Huh? Best of luck finding a vein. Huh?
Yeah, thank you.
They always take a little bit more time to find my vein. You got it? Means I'm losing weight, no?
Yeah. You take water?
Yeah, of course. Who says no, I don't take water? Remember last time we got blood tests, you got scared and all?
I don't get scared.
You only have to cut to flashback.
No idea what you're talking about.
Guys, Darshit is looking at me getting blood test very intently. And done. Darshit looks happy now. Okay, sir, now what's next? Urine sample.
Quality content.
Shanks, pani dena. Cheers. Now we just wait, guys. We just wait until I feel like.
Best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And we are done. Yo, so it's 7 p.m. and my results have just come in my inbox. That's what the report seems okay. I'm COVID negative, and the blood reports for the smoker's health check. Everything is also fine in all the different categories. I am within the given range. Shout out to Medibuddy for making this whole process so easy. I thought I should take the test yesterday and then boom. You guys can check them out too with the link in the description and the pinned comment. जब भी international travel होता है, हर 10 मिनट मेरे दिमाग में एक thought आता है. Fuck passport. Anyway, I hate traveling. Guys, I've landed in Dubai. वो एक secret बताऊं. जो पेशाब लगी थी ना, माँ कसम है. I can't do so inside airplane. I have to do it in like a toilet. तो सबसे पहले मैंने जाके पेशाब किया. इतना मजा आ गया. By God. Guys, I just got out of Dubai immigration. When they let you in, they give you free 5G SIM card. Free at immigration. By the way, Akshay didn't get a SIM card. How do you feel?
Not cool. Can you at least give me a SIM card?
No. You better be grateful. Alright, we have checked into our hotel. We're going to eat some contemporary local Dubai food like burger and french fries. Support Elon's takeover of Twitter. We have taken a Tesla today. Like this car, guys, there's no roof. Look at this. There's sky, there's me. There's the sky, there's me again. It's the sky, and now it's me. Guys, look what they said. And they sent it to Akshay's room.
Why is your face on my food?
What did they say when they delivered
I
it?
said you didn't take it, so they gave it to me.
Tell me honestly, did you lick my face?
Yuck, no.
Guys, I just want to try eating myself and let you guys know what it tastes like. It's sweet, I'm sweet.
Do you think you have mental illness?
Eat and see.
No, I don't want. I'm not eating. Stop it!
We have come to play golf. Golf. What are we? 55 years old.
It's top golf. It's like golf for young people.
People are expecting a sexy, exciting vlog, and we're going to stand in one place and hit some balls.
Dude, this is a lot of fun. It just doesn't look fun in a vlog. Find activities that are fun to do in the vlog was not part of the criteria I used to pick what we're gonna do.
Then what was the criteria?
To actually go have fun.
Who the fuck actually has fun? Chi?
You hold it over this.
Ah.
You get this here.
Okay. And what is the goal?
To hit it into one of these.
To hit it into one of these nets.
Yes.
Okay.
Go away.
Good morning, friends. We are going to an Italian restaurant to have lunch. Italiano. Giorgio Armani, de Carla Bruni. Arrivederci. Are you ready to eat Italiano food?
What are you doing? There's like people living here.
Excuse me, waiter. I would like to have
Calling the police.
one Mario, one Luigi.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
How are people friends with him after you started vlogging? Tell me, I don't know what the process is, so just explain to me how to maintain.
It is the friendship. It is the friendship. we're here. Though I have to admit, last night we didn't go out और होटल में बैठ के मतलब एकदम ठंड लग रहा था, एकदम बाहर दुबई एक्सपीरियंस करने का मन कर रहा था. You know, I just wanted to get out of the hotel and go out and experience. Fuck, it's so hot. I'm going back to the hotel. Too excited to eat Italiano food.
Here's what do you know, like what your other YouTubers are doing? They go skydiving. Yesterday I saw somebody went on a date and vlogged about it. Why aren't you doing that? And why are you putting the camera in my face? Asking me if I want to eat Italiano.
It is Italiano food. It's so good. What is this sound that your shoe is making? Akshay, छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Can you walk so I can rap on a beat? It's like Dubai didn't have enough shishas already.
Yeah, this is just a replica of that.
What is this?
Portal, Facebook portal.
What does it do?
It's like an Alexa with a screen. Why are you recording this?
Just in the hope of something good. It's been a bad trip. I've been next to this guy and he's giving me like no content.
It's not a content.
No, he's not.
It's an anti-content. You take a viral video, put him inside of it, and it'll go less viral.
Guess who's already reached Bahamas before me? It's Devaya. We're all watching it. This dude. Let's go, my man. The whole bar is watching him.
He's picking it up now.
Yeah.
He's getting confident. I think that the dad is just standing there, just rubbing his face right now. He's like, I can't believe this. Like,
If your kid doesn't do this.
no, I'll make him do this and make money out of it.
Cash, you're a fucking ape, dude.
You like that? Apes together strong. Me and Davia, you know.
Look at his leg, dude.
Notice. This is what peak performance looks like, though. Man.
Oh my
This is a
God.
man in 2022. You like that?
Bro.
Keeps me warm in the winter. That's the key. And during the summer, it just looks good.
That's why there's no urban company in London.
Guys, we've come for a quick drink in this place at the Bahamas. You gotta check this out.
ठंडी हवा थी जो आई संभालो हमको कभी न जाए सहलाए संभालो हमको सभी से आगे जाए हम ही हैं उनके प्यारे.
It's like he's being slowly strangled or something in his sleep. It's so sad. I have to deal with this all goddamn night.
सभी से आगे जाए ठंडी हवा हम ही तो है तुम्हारे खाए तभी तो है तुम्हारे पास
Going snorkeling.
भी हमारा साथ कभी ना कभी तो नजर आ.
Well, it's not funny.
Alright, friends, on 3, like, share, and subscribe, okay? On 3.
Like, share, and subscribe.
No, no. On 3, like, share, subscribe.
तेरे नाम